I want to show you my best way that I can drive to a complicated destination, to park at a trailhead that it's hard to reach. Here is an example of a peak called Evangeline Peak. It was quite a complicated drive to get there. So, first of all, if I'm looking for Evangeline Peak here, let's type Evangeline Peak, Clearwater County, Alberta. It will show me the mountain, right? The peak. So obviously, when you're gonna try to find directions, it will not be able to give you the directions because you need to be on a road, right? So let's say you have to guess here whereabout is on a road, but you can't, right? So for that you use a Gaia GPS map to get the coordinates. For example, you see these trails or Evangeline Peak here, the route. The breadcrumbs, they get to this parking lot. But some mountains, they don't even have a parking lot. Like this one, you see? You don't even have that. So let's say you park on a shoulder. Let's say there is no parking lot. You park here on a shoulder. So then you get the coordinates here. You copy the coordinates. Because obviously for this map you don't have for a driving with the GPS. There is no such feature. So you have to go back here. So now let's search the coordinates that I found. See, there is before the parking lot, you know. Let's suppose it's not a parking lot here. It will still take you there, right? You see, 2 hours 24 minutes from where I live. On this option, there are other options too. If you drag, but it's finding the best option for you. You can drag maybe more. Postpone in 1 hour. I don't want to update now, obviously. So in any case, you see, let's go back to Gaia. Another thing useful here, if you have a hard copy map, you can change the preferences to UTM. And then when you, for example, you have the UTM here for a hard copy map, you will get, forget about these two numbers on the left, you get 0, 2, and then you get 3 to 8 you will use for to look up on a hard copy map, or if you have another GPS tool, right? So yeah, I hope this helps. That's what I'm going to be doing. So cheers.